Ciao fans ulit! Ayan na naman po kami. Tuloy-tuloy yung aming pag-tour dito sa Valerano. At kung makikita nyo ang mga kabahayan, mga lumang-luma na talaga. Ayan ang kanilang mga bahay. At ang kanilang mga, eto binebenta, kanilang mga kabahayan. So they are selling this. And if you like to buy it, you can tell my husband and he'll bring you here to negotiate how much it will be, the cost. And of course, this is the view of these houses, you see. Wow! Para kasi Rapunzel, daddy, di ba? Look, this is your view in your home. Kaya healthy ang mga tao. It's just because they really love this kind of view. Hindi polluted. Napakaganda ng mga lugar. Pang Instagram talaga. Oh, ang aking hobby. Tingnan yung road. Ang ganda. Mountain. At talagang healthy yung mga matatanda. Kasi yung mga birth rate dito konti na lang. Pero ang mortality talagang konti din kasi tumatanda. Hindi na nga nag-aanak, hindi pa nagdadagdag ng anak, at tumatanda pa lalo, maabot sila ng more than 100 years. So, what's happening is that, see, pag tumatanda ka, maabot ka ng more than 100 years, ano pa mangyayari? And then, wala namang pinapanganak. So, kumukonti yung population nila. Someday, wala nang matitira sa mga Italians. Mauubos na sila, di ba? This plaza is really beautiful, honey. It's a stunning beauty. Look, beautiful. So nice. Oh, this is another church. This one? Oh, okay. Ang ganda naman ng plaza nila, di ba? Tingnan nyo naman. So, dito lang lahat yung mga nakatira. Ayan, Valeriano. Ah, this is an hospital. Look, hospital daw yan. Ayan po. Ospedale di Augusto Ricciardi. So, hospital yan. Mukha siyang church. Mukha rin siyang bahay. Di ba? So, kung makikita nyo, ayan yung kanilang plaza. May mga waiting sheds. Binebenta to kasi malamang. Kasi yung mga may-ari dito, pag namatay na, wala na, ayan o, pabenta na. Or pag matanda na, ano pang gagawin dyan? Ayaw naman tumira ng mga kamag-anakan. So, ang gagawin, ibebenta. Tingnan nyo, oh, ang ganda. I love it, daddy, oh. May terrace pa siya, oh. Ang ganda. Wow. Ang ganda. Ganda talaga. I love it. So, kung interested kayo dito tumira, dapat willing din kayo na maglakad, umakyat, at talagang mag-aakyat sa mga ganyang lugar na walang hagdanan, ay walang elevator, hagdanan lang po. So, this is it. This is what you're going to get. So you'll stay in this house, and you are close to the hospital, you are in front of the hospital, and you are in front of the church. And this is their city and their community. You can see this is all medieval era, and this is all the, how do you call this? The traditional houses without elevators. So when you get old, you just go up by the staircase, and no elevators at all. So just remember, it's not so easy. Anyway, let's continue our tour and let's go up there on the church. Let's go to the church and see this beautiful, wonderful place. Look at the house, so beautiful, right? So beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. This is the wonders of Valeriano. Magdasal po muna tayo.